Hi guys, welcome to another video. And this is very exciting one for me personally. When I heard the news, the VMware Workstation is now free for personal use, I was very happy. I really wanted to try out the new VMware Workstation Pro on my Windows machine. And the reason why I was happy because now you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars just for the license. This will make learning and setting up lab environment easy for anyone who are starting off with the technical learning. I've seen many of my fellow blog readers who are using VirtualBox just because they cannot use VMware Workstation due to its license cost. So this decision was awesome, although there are some subscription model they introduced for commercial use, and some people are not happy with it as well. But that's for another discussion. So just like anyone, I did want to give it a try on my Windows machine. So I went to Google and searched for download VMware Workstation Pro. So I clicked on the first link from the VMware site and tried to download the VMware Workstation 17 Pro for Windows, and I got this error. I went back to the site and tried to download the same for Linux, and I could see the URL doesn't exist either. The reason why you're not able to download this software because all the VMware download links are now being moved to parent company called Broadcom. So if you need to download it, it has to be from the Broadcom customer portal. So let's see how we can actually download the VMware Workstation officially for free for your personal use from the Broadcom customer portal. I have covered the same instruction on my blog article. I'll put the link in the description below. And in the article, scroll down to the step 1 and click on the Broadcom website link here. And on the Broadcom website, click on the product at the top and click on the VMware products on the left side. In the search field, search for Workstation, Works, hit enter, and click on VMware Workstation Pro. Click on download now on VMware Workstation for PC. It's taken us to the Broadcom site asking you to log in, and if you have login account, that's great. You may log in here. And if you don't have a login account, don't worry. You may click on the login button drop down at the top right corner and click on register here. Enter the email address and the captcha and click on next, and you will get an OTP. Once you enter the OTP, it is just a normal registration form. Fill them in and register at the Broadcom customer portal. Once you register, you may log in here. Like we did before, get back to the Broadcom homepage and click on products again and click on VMware products. Search for Workstation again. Click on Workstation Pro and click on download now on VMware Workstation for PC. Click on VMware Workstation Pro from the product list. Don't select the VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. Instead choose VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use, Windows. Choose a version of your choice. Click on download icon. If you have filled the address information and everything, you'll get HTTP download option here. Since I did not fill up the address, it is telling me that screening is required. So I click on that. I got a prompt which says prior to download this file, additional verification is required. Click on yes here, and here you can see the address field and everything is blank. So let me enter the address 1, city, state along with the zip code and click on submit. Once done, you will be taken back to the previous screen. Choose VMware Workstation Pro from the list and choose again VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use, Windows. Choose a version of your choice. If you now try to download, you get HTTP download option. Click on that. As you could see, it is now downloading the file, and you can now download the VMware Workstation Pro for free for personal use. Let me install and open the VMware Workstation in my Windows host. Let me switch to my Windows PC. Like we do with any software install, let me go ahead and install the VMware Workstation Pro in Windows 11. And this process requires a few minutes, so let me fast forward it. So it is now installing. It's done. Once the installation is finished, open VMware Workstation Pro. You will get a pop-up for license registration. In that, choose VMware Workstation 17 for personal use and click on continue. You get a successful message here which says thank you. Click on finish here, and that's it. You now have VMware Workstation installed for free, which you can now use to install and manage virtual machine in it. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.